Hi guys, if your LG TV shows you the Bluetooth service needs to be initialized error, you won't be able to connect the headphones or the speakers. So in today's guide, I will show you how you can fix this error and how you can restore the Bluetooth pairing step by step. So first of all, you just have to simply press settings on your remote, and this is going to basically show you the settings on your screen. So you just have to first of all go to the settings, then go to general. After that, in the general, look for the option of devices. Then you just have to look for the option of Bluetooth settings. So the Bluetooth settings are going to look something like this. So over here, when you are inside the Bluetooth settings, you just have to first of all turn the Bluetooth off, then wait for a few seconds. Probably you can wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Then you just have to turn this Bluetooth back on. So this is going to refresh the Bluetooth module and it often clears the error instantly. Now you just have to also turn off your TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Then simply wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then plug it back in and turn your TV on. This particular step alone is going to reset the background services that control the wireless connectivity. Now inside your Bluetooth device list, you just have to remove all the previously paired devices. Now you can put your headphones and the speakers in the pairing mode and then connect it again. Sometimes the corrupted pairing data can trigger this specific initialization error. So these steps are going to fix the issue in most of the LG TVs quickly and reliably. So thank you.